Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to fix Snapchat notifications not working or not showing. So you have to check your system settings for it. So go to your phone's setting, and in here you will find the notifications option. So here you have to go to app notifications. And here you will find the apps that have a notification turned on or turned off. So check for Messenger. Scroll down until you find it. Check for the Snapchat. So as you can see, here is the Snapchat. And here you have to check if it is turned on. So as you can see, in my one, it is turned off. So just toggle it on. And now it is enabled notification. Now, whenever any pop-up or notification arrives in your Snapchat account, you will find it popped up as a notifications in here. So yeah, this is how easy it is to enable or fix Snapchat notifications not showing problem. Hope this video helped you out, and let us know in the comment section how it worked for you. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel, and we hope to see you in our next video.